Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to unload a live ammo round. For whatever reason, sometimes you got a round that won't shoot, bad primer, or you just want to pull a bullet, reuse a bullet, make the ammo safe. The process is the same whether you've got a pistol round, you've got a rifle round, or you've got a pistol round chambered for a rifle, or a rifle round chambered for a pistol. Whatever the case may be, the process is the same. This is what I call a bullet puller. I don't know what the proper name for it is. I think it's a Frankfurt Arsenal. They're not very expensive. They come with little dies, different sizes, and you can see this large die. It's got a rounded edge on it. It's got a rubber band. It'll fit a pistol cartridge. It's a 45 ACP. It'll fit a 30-06. And it'll fit a 45-70. You can see on the back of the puller, threaded. I'm gonna unload a live 45 ACP. It's been seated, it's been crimped. Like I say, whenever you reload, a lot of times when you're setting your dies up, you may seat your bullet too deep. And once you do that, there's no way to get it out. Once you get it seated too deep, it raises your pressure. It can be dangerous if you got it seated too low. And if you get it seated too low, a lot of times your edge of your brass will be above what will chamber safely. Sometimes in a semi-automatic rifle or pistol, like a 1911, they won't even chamber because they're too deep. Put that in your die. That goes in the back of your puller. Make sure the rounded edge is up. And that just threads on it. I usually get a block of oak instead of beating on my reloading table. And you can see the primer is exposed. Nothing that can hit it. And it's just the idea, you've got to hit it pretty hard once you get the bullet crimped. And it's pretty loud. That took 2 hits. And once you get it unloaded, just take your empty case out. And you got your powder and a pulled bullet you can reuse. Hey guys, thanks for watching.